Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a workplace on your XPeng vehicle navigation. So if you want to add a workplace, here you first want to go over and make sure that you're in the home settings where you have your XPeng navigation. Here we have the workplace. Now we're going to click on set workplace and we can choose our address. So we need to enter the address right here. As you guys can see, here we have it, and now we can click on set. This is a random address, but as you guys can see, here we have it. This is our workplace on our map. If we see it, we can just tap on it, and here we can click on start, and of course we can click here. It will start generating and calculating the best route possible. So the shortest, the longest, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.